Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be filming a video for you guys. Finally, I'm gonna be doing I'm not sure what type of look I'm gonna be creating. I just know that I want to go all out. I'm just gonna be like chit-chatting, very casual, getting ready with you guys, and I'm gonna be using this palette. It's by Becky G. She just came out with her own makeup line called Tresluce, and this is the I Am palette. This is what it looks like if you guys haven't seen it on Instagram. I'm excited if you guys just want to see me like do my makeup. Hopefully you guys are doing your makeup too. Let's get ready together. So I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids. I started using the P. Louise base that everyone uses. I used to use the Tarte Shape Tape as a base because it's so thick and really covers my like just the pigment and like veins in my eyelids. But I hate wasting my concealer for my base, so I just started using, well, I bought the P. Louise and I really like it. It's really thick and works well with eyeshadows. Now I'm starting with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna take the color Única. It's this, I don't know, brown reddish color. I'm gonna take that into the crease just to add some definition. All right, next I'm going to take the color Mad. It's this really pretty turquoise blue color, and I'm just gonna go into my crease again, but a little bit more defined this time. Are you guys watching Love Island? I hope someone here that's watching this video watches Love Island so we can discuss what is going on right now. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's this show, I think it's on CBS. And no, I know it's on CBS, girl. I'm obsessed with this show. I've been watching it with my sister, and we were laughing last night because I'm just so like invested in this show. Like I can't stop talking about it, especially recently. So if you guys watch it, Will, he's the new boy. He is so fine. If I had to like show someone like a picture of like what my type is, Will from Love Island. Even my mom watches it, which I'm so confused about. I just never took her for someone that would like a show like that, but it's just so good because they're attractive people, and I don't know, like it's interesting. I mean, even my mom watches it and she's not the type to watch like reality TV. Like, okay, I'm just gonna talk a little bit more about Love Island. I just needed to vent because like, oh, Jeremy gets on my nerves. So many of the boys get on my nerve. Jeremy, I don't like him. He's fake. He's so into himself. Like that's like one of my turnoffs is when a guy is so into themselves. Like that guy walks into a room and if there's a mirror, he's just like checking himself. Oh, like that is like one of my like biggest turnoffs. If someone's like so into themselves and that boy thinks he's like the hottest man breathing. Since we've been like watching like these type of shows, me and my sister will ask each other like what our type is, like if we were on the show, because they always seem to ask the contestants what their type is. And the other day she asked me what my type is, and I honestly don't have like an answer. I think, what did I tell her? I guess just someone who's like nice, like a nice boy. I guess looks wise, well, like I said, Will is like my type, but yeah, I prefer someone with like darker features, like dark hair, tan. I feel like it's easier for me to say what I don't like in a guy than what I do like in a guy. Like I hate people that are like so into themselves. Like obviously these shows are entertainment and they probably ask them like, so what is your type physically? But every time someone asks like what their type is, like right away they're like, muscular, tall. I'd rather have, oh, funny. If a guy's funny, like, I'll probably have a crush on you. Because, I mean, wouldn't you rather be laughing with someone than just being with, like, the hottest guy? Right? Is that just me? But funny. Like a funny, nice guy. So I finished the blue in my crease. Now I'm going to add Grateful, this shimmery blue. I'm going to pat that all over my lid. I'm just going to use my finger. I find the warmth of my finger and just patting the color down gives the best color payoff. Ooh, this color is so pretty. So I actually took a little break, and when I came back it started raining so hard, and I knew you guys wouldn't be able to hear me, or it would just be annoying to like listen to like the rain. So I started just playing around with the eyeshadow, and oh my god, it looks so different because I ended up adding the navy blue color, Poderosa. I added that into the outer V, and I just kept going back between that one and Mar to diffuse it. Now we have this. It looks so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with my skin. I'm gonna go in with my Uoma foundation. I'm in the color Fair Lady T3N, and I'm using a beauty blender. Next, I'm gonna go in with some contour, and I'm gonna be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm gonna do concealer next. I'm trying out this e.l.f. concealer. So this is the hydrating camo, and I've tried the regular camo with the black top, and I just wanted to see how they compare. I got the color Light Peach. I also want to use my concealer just to kind of sharpen the edges of my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to add like a dot at the edge here. I'm just taking the concealer I added to the outer edge and just kind of stamping it across my face just to create a line and like sharpen up the edge of the eyeshadow. I prefer a little bit more coverage. I don't know if you can see, I feel like there's still a little bit of darkness there, but maybe with the powder it might look a little better. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty powder in Pound Cake. Okay, I don't normally bake under my eyes because I feel like it just looks cakey afterwards, but with that concealer, I don't know. I don't think I like it. The powder like really came in handy. It brightened up my under eyes. I just don't like baking because I feel like it's just too much, and like right now my under eyes just feel so heavy and like so much makeup, but I had to because the coverage of this, I don't think I like it. I'm gonna keep testing it out. I'm not gonna like say I hate her because the finish was nice. The color was good. It was just, I don't know, I felt like I kept adding more and more product and it wasn't doing anything. Okay, now I'm just gonna finish off my face before I finish off the eyes. I'm gonna add blush, or actually, no, bronzer first. And this is like one of my favorite bronzers. I've mentioned it in one of my videos, I'm sure. It's the Sungasm by Catrice. Now I'm gonna add blush. This is by Lottie London, and I didn't know they sold this at Walmart now. One that's like more pink. This is their peachier toned one. It's called Haze. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and finally fill in my brows. I'm gonna add lash glue to my brows. Just a little bit because I already have foundation on and I don't want the foundation and the glue to mix. So I'm just gonna add a little bit and then quickly just brush it through my eyebrows. So now I'm going to use my favorite, the Glossier Brow Flick. All right, so there's the eyebrows with the what is it called? Brow Flick. And now I'm gonna take my Brow Wiz from Anastasia. Like, see how there's so much skin there? Because I literally have no eyebrow. I'm just going to fill it in with this. All right, so I'm gonna apply lashes now. I'm gonna use Insta Famous by Beauty Creations. You see, they're so cute. I don't know if you can see them. It's this pair right here. And you guys, I've heard of this before, the eyeliner that is also a lash glue, but I don't know. I didn't even feel the need to try it, but my friend said that she really likes it, so I got the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. I used it yesterday and it was way easier than I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna add Poderosa to my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take, Única, the shade that we first started out with on our eyeshadow, and I'm going to add this to the inner portion of my lower lash line and then just kind of like blend this color into Poderosa just to make it not so intense. Now I'm gonna add some shimmer to the inner corners. I'm gonna use Divina. It's the lightest shimmer shade in the palette, this right here. Okay, so finally I'm going to do my lips. And I'm just gonna go for a nude because everything is just a lot, so I don't want to do too much with my lip. I'm gonna first line it with the NYX brown lip pencil, and for my lipstick I'm gonna be using Dulce by Kylie. I'm gonna add a little bit of this gloss. It's by Colored Rain in the color Butter Love. It's a super pale nude, so I'm just gonna add that to the center of the lip. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. It's been a few hours since I finished the video. I'm so annoyed. My eye ended up getting super watery, and I don't know if you can see, I literally had to take off my concealer and reapply it, and it doesn't look that cute anymore. I'm so sad, but overall I had a fun time filming. It had been such a long time since I filmed a video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have ideas of what you guys want me to film, let me know in the comments, because I want to get back to filming, but I don't know what to film. But I also really like these casual videos where I just do my makeup with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.